In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily hide any comment on Instagram. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off, we need to open up Instagram app. After that, let's go to our Instagram profile, then we can open up any post. Here, as you can see, I have a couple of comments, and now I'm going to show you how we can easily hide any of them. So guys, first off, we need to tap right here to see our comments, and then if you would like to hide one, we can easily do so by tapping Add Hide under that comment, and it will be immediately hidden even without a confirmation. The difference here between the deleting of comments is that later on, if we change our mind, we'll be able to unhide them, and we can easily do so by tapping right here. As you can see, now it says see hidden comments. If you have a lot of comments here, then just go down this list, and down below you'll find see hidden comments. And now if we tap right here, it will show us all the comments that are hidden by you, and then we can easily unhide any of them by tapping right here at unhide. Basically, guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.